Our government announced lockdown in the last week of March. Suddenly, everything stopped. We don't know what to do next.
What is a company? It's just a group of people trying to do something together. And ultimately, if the people are not happy and comfortable and able to do their work effectively, the company cannot succeed. So we have always, from day one, thought hard about how to have our people have the best experience and a comfortable working environment. Welcome to one of the largest valve manufacturers out of India. If you look at Make in India companies, we are among the top 3 in the Indian-owned valve manufacturers. We started 35 years ago by my father, Mr. Umar Shankar. And today we make engineered, precise quality products for India and the world. We export to every continent on the planet except Antarctica. We are operating in 4 different manufacturing plants with offices in 3 different continents. And we have around 500 employees with around 120 technical staff working on our roles, both on the shop floor as well as the office spaces. When we look at the opportunity to save ourselves from the pandemic, there are multiple solutions. And one might say that, oh, the vaccine is the best answer for the pandemic, for coronavirus. We never knew when the vaccine would come when we bought the devices. But we still were able to convince ourselves to buy them because it seemed like a long-term investment. Even past the pandemic, we could have benefits against flu, where the device would protect us against the seasonal flus that we get. We hope to have lower flu absences or cold-related absences in our premises. Medical institutions such as AIIMS directors are saying that the pandemic and various coronaviruses and strains will stay around with us for years to come. So it looked like a very good long-term investment. And for the benefit, the cost seemed very, very affordable and a very easy decision financially. After making the decision to get Shaikocan, we ordered the devices, and when they arrived, we went through the installation process, making sure we covered all the spaces where people were present, collecting together to work. After we had the devices installed, we brought the workforce together, and in the office we got the staff together to tell them what the device was about, to assure them that this is not a camera, this is not a mic, or this is not a speaker, but it's for their health. Of course, everybody doesn't believe everything when they see it, but we've had incidents that have reinforced our decision and even made our people internalize the benefits of why we did this. A head of marketing from our office had his son test positive over the weekend for COVID-19. On Monday he got a test done and he came to the office. The test showed him negative. But 4 days later, he came positive for COVID-19. While for 4 days he was in the office, interacting with everybody as if nothing was wrong. However, even though he got the infection from his son, he didn't spread it to anyone else that he interacted with. When we see it happen to us in our real lives, we believe this is what we need. And that's why I think we have made the right decision to buy Shaikocan, install it in our workplace, and I encourage all people who are operating offices or factories or workspaces to look after their employees and install Shaikocan such that they can get the benefit of a confident and present workforce who are there, available, and able to do their work without any doubt and hesitation about the quality and safety of their workplace.
Shaikocan. Let's bring life back to normal and normal back to business. Visit shaikocancorp.com today.